What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Ty Imani and welcome back to Live with Ty. So as you can already tell from the title of this video, today I'm going to be doing my first retwist after having my hair in for a little over 3 months now. So I just got out the shower and I washed it for the first time by myself. So this is what it looks like, freshly washed. But first things first, if you guys aren't subscribed to Live with Ty channel, and if you aren't a part of the Ty Mob family, make sure you hit that subscribe button right over there, as well as your notification bell, so you guys can get all my post notification alerts each and every time I drop. All right, let's get straight into this video. So this is my hair after I just got off the shower. It's a little tiny, it's still like really wet, but it's a tiny bit this is so cute. It's a tiny bit still damp. So I did a lot of research while being home as far as how I wanted to do my retwist method, what products I wanted to use, if I was going to even use products at all. But since my journey, I've been really trying to have everything as natural as possible. So today I'm going to be retwisting my hair using fresh aloe vera. Right over here. Hadi got these from me the other day at the market, and they were only like 99 cents. So I'm about to use them to do my all the other products that I'm going to be using. So I have my aloe vera gel, I have my comb, my brush, my clips, my lock oil that I currently am using right now, some rubber bands to section off my hair. And that's it. That is everything that I'm going to be using. I'm probably not even going to be using the comb because it's just going to be too much. And I don't have any help right now. So yeah, you guys can watch me as I attempt and hopefully succeed in retwisting my hair. Guys, I haven't shaved my armpits. I don't shave. I only wax. So if the armpit here is like bothering you, I'm so sorry. I don't know what to tell you. Put that out there because I know there's gonna be someone in the comment section like, okay, da, da, da. Like if it bothers you, it's just here. So if it bothers you and you're at home, maybe you should check yourself. Get right into this video. curls. I'll just put it top right there. I feel like the clips need to be down further so I could. Alright guys, I'm about to take my clips out and we're gonna see how good I did. My next retwist video is most likely gonna be hoodie. See, I don't like how.
I mean, you gotta sit like this. You want to sit in front of me like this?
Yeah. Yeah. That's all?
Nah, yeah. That's it. Shake them loose. Shake your dread, child. Shake your hook like that. I don't like my mind.
Am I cute?
Yeah, you cute, girl.
So does it look like it's... Can y'all see?
The ones you did is kind of fat still.
It look a mess?
No, it don't look a mess. Especially though in the camera, it looks better because the light.
Can they see it? Is it blurry?
No, it's actually really clear. Let me go get our daughter off the phone.
So, this is my hair, you guys. Ugh, can you stay over here? Some parts are still wet, I can still feel it, but I like it. What do you guys think? I think I like it. It's nice and breathable. I'm gonna put it in like a cute, like, I can put it like in a cute, like half up, half down style to be super cute. But I'm just gonna leave it alone. Put my scarf on it, let it finish drying completely. Got my satin scarf. You hear Zayla's feet?
Mom!
Yes! You did it already? Good job, you 5. Good job, boo. Mommy's about to put her scarf on. Okay. And then we're gonna close out, okay? Okay. It was so funny. Ooh. I don't really like to have my hair like smushed. I'm about to just lay it down like this. Drink some water because my head hurts. Call it a night. I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in while I did my first retwist with aloe vera. If you like the results, comment down below. My next video will definitely be a retwist using the same method because I like how it holds my hair but it doesn't feel too like greasy or too like tacky. Like it has a good texture to it, and it made my hair feel super soft. So the next video I'm gonna continue to do my retwist with the aloe vera method. I'm just gonna have my fiance retwist it for me. He's never done it before. He just tried like 2 on my head, but I'm gonna see how it goes when he does. He can actually do like my whole entire head. So, oh, another thing, we have started Ramadan. Those of you who don't know what Ramadan is,
it's the 9th month on the Muslim calendar, and it's a time of self-restraint, repentance, and peace and self-reflection. It's
for a whole 30 days, right?
Whole 30 days.
So yeah. This is something that Hadi does every year. I never participated with him because, well, when I was pregnant, the first year I was pregnant, the second year I was breastfeeding, and those are like the 2 circumstances when you aren't allowed to participate in the fasting. But this year, I told him that, well, I told myself that this is something that I wanted to do, not necessarily for the religious benefits, but just for like the self-reflective benefits. That's it for this video. I'm gonna be back next week with another video, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys later.